Alright, y'all, hopefully y'all can see me, but this is the most important part, to make sure that the thing is strapped in good, which it is. I didn't know we even had the little clips inside the car. But anyway, you clip it in the back or whatever, and this little part right here, you pull until you basically cannot pull no more. Push it down, and like see here, it's cool. But on this car seat, there's these two little bubbles. They have to be basically in the middle of the two hash marks, so that you know that it's basically leveled out or whatever. See this one right here? There we go. Alright, so again, pull this till you can't pull no more. Give it a little, now it may move just a little bit, but this is pretty good. And then you just tuck it in. Car seat on. You should definitely hear the click. If you don't hear the click, take it back out and try again. But we straight. Hopefully that helps y'all. I know I did it right because I looked it up, and we in that thing.